The American robin is often seen as the herald of spring. As winter fades, these vibrant birds return, their cheerful songs filling the air. Did you know that robins are actually migratory? They travel thousands of miles, often arriving in North America around March. Their bright orange bellies and cheerful demeanor make them a favorite among birdwatchers. Plus, they play a crucial role in our ecosystem, helping to control insect populations and spreading seeds. So, when you spot that first robin, it's not just a bird. It's a reminder that warmer days are on the way.